Imagine a horse that doesn't eat, sleep, or need food. Now picture it powered by hydrogen and ready to ride. Kawasaki has just unveiled something that seems straight out of the future, a robot horse called Corleo. It's built for rugged terrain, runs on clean energy, and could change the way we think about transportation. Could this be the future of travel? Corleo, Kawasaki's hydrogen-powered robot horse. They say there's nothing new under the sun, but sometimes something shows up that really makes you think twice. In April 2025, Kawasaki Heavy Industries did just that. At the Osaka Kansai Expo, they showed off something no one saw coming, a rideable robot horse named Corleo that runs on hydrogen. It instantly got people talking. Instead of showing off a fancy bike or a flashy electric car, Kawasaki brought out a four-legged machine that looks part horse, part robot. Corleo isn't just for show, it's built to carry people just like a real horse. Kawasaki, known for both bikes and robots, combined both worlds here. It runs on a small 150cc hydrogen engine, which creates electricity to power the motors in its legs. That means it can walk across all sorts of ground, grass, rocky paths, even uneven rubble. Corleo's legs can adjust to the surface. It's not going to gallop, but it can walk, trot, and keep its rider steady the whole way. What's really cool is how you control it. There are no complicated buttons or remote controls. The rider steers using handlebars and simple body movements. Lean forward or to the side, and Corleo follows. The handlebars feel like a motorcycle's, and there are adjustable footrests so anyone can ride comfortably. Right between the handlebars, there's a screen that shows things like fuel level, balance, and how the rider's weight is spread out. At night, Corleo even shines lights on the ground to guide the way. Corleo's body is made from a mix of carbon fiber and metal. That makes it strong but still light enough to move around easily. The seat looks like something you'd find on a motorcycle, and the front has a similar shape to a bike's headlight. But once you look down, you can clearly see the robotic legs and joints. It moves more like an animal than a machine. The hydrogen tank sits at the back. When it's working, the hydrogen goes through a generator that creates electricity and gives off just water. Kawasaki says, this is part of a bigger plan to explore cleaner energy options. There's no official release date yet, but Kawasaki hinted that robots like Corleo could become common by the 2050s. For now, it's still a prototype, but they're taking it seriously. It's not just some cool gadget for show. Kawasaki sees it as a real step toward the future of transportation, especially in places where cars or bikes can't go easily. At first glance, a robot horse might seem a bit odd, but when you think about it, it's a smart way to handle rough terrain, slow, steady, and built for places wheels just can't reach. Impact of Corleo on future transportation. Corleo isn't just some fancy robot for show, it's Kawasaki's way of saying that maybe we won't always need wheels to get around. Instead of rolling like a car or a bike, this thing actually walks like an animal. And it doesn't use petrol or electricity either. It runs on hydrogen, which is a much cleaner option. The only thing it gives off is water, so it's better for the environment. Kawasaki's been looking into hydrogen for all sorts of things, trains, ships, even big engines, so Corleo is just one part of that bigger plan. What makes Corleo really stand out, though, is how it combines that clean energy with legs instead of wheels. Kawasaki has built legged robots before, like the ones that walk on 2 feet, but this is their first 4-legged rideable one. That's a big deal, because making a robot that can carry someone, stay balanced, and respond to human movement isn't easy. Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.